Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing with 9th chapter of Business Studies of class 12th, and the name of the chapter is Financial Management. In my previous lecture, we have discussed about financial management decisions related to dividend, investment, and finance. Today, we are going to discuss financial planning with a special reference to objectives and importance. So let's begin with the topic financial planning. Financial planning means deciding in advance how much to spend on what to spend according to the funds at your disposal. In other words, financial planning includes determination of amount of finance needed by an enterprise to carry out its operations smoothly, determination of source of funds, that is, the pattern of securities to be issued, determination of suitable policies for proper utilization and administration of the funds. Now, what are the objectives of financial planning? Financial planning is done to achieve the following two objectives: to ensure availability of funds whenever these are required. The main objective of financial planning is that sufficient funds should be available in the company for different purposes, such as for purchase of long-term assets, to meet day-to-day expense, and many more. Second is to see that firm does not raise resources unnecessarily when they are not required. Excess funding is as bad as inadequate or shortage of funds. If there is surplus money, financial planning must invest it in the best possible manner, as keeping financial resources idle is a great loss for an institution. Financial planning includes both short-term as well as the long-term planning. Long-term planning focuses on capital expenditure plan, whereas short-term financial plans are called budget. Budget include detailed plan of action for a period of 1 year or less. Now, what is the importance of financial planning? Why we do financial planning? There are several reasons behind it. First, makes the firm better prepared to face the unpredictable future. Future is uncertain. It helps in forecasting what may happen in future under different business situations. Helps in avoiding business shocks and surprises by preparing a blueprint to face different types of situations. Coordinate various functions. It helps in coordinating various functions, the production, sales, etc., by providing clear policies and procedure. Proper use of finance. Detailed plan of action prepared under financial planning reduces waste, duplication of efforts, overlapping of work, and gaps in planning. Link present with future. Financial planning tries to link present with future by anticipating sales, growth, and many more concepts. It is a link between investment and financing decision. Financial planning provides link between financial investment and financing decision on a continuous basis. Last is make evaluation of actual performance earlier. By spelling out detailed objectives for various business segments, it makes the evaluation of actual performance easier. Now, what is the difference in the objectives of financial management and financial planning? Financial management is to manage all the activities which are related or associated to finance. But in financial planning, its objective is to ensure availability of funds and to see that firm does not raise the funds unnecessarily. Talking about the scope, financial management has got wider scope and it includes financial planning in it, whereas financial planning has got narrow scope as it is one segment of financial management only. Now the last, what is financial management and financial planning? Financial management refers to efficient acquisition, utilization and disposal of surplus for the smooth flow of an organization, whereas financial planning refers to the estimation of capital required and deciding the source of funds and optimum use of the funds. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.